That's so funny. Oh my god, look at this. Sorry, big breakfast. What is wrong with you?